Election officials in Arizona and Nevada continue to count ballots days after Tuesday's midterm elections. Meanwhile, millions of dollars have already started pouring into Georgia. A December 6th runoff election will take place between Democratic Senator Raphael Warnock and his Republican challenger, Herschel Walker. Capitol Hill correspondent Eric Rosales joins us now with more. Eric?
In Georgia, a staggering $262 million has already been spent on this race, and with control of the Senate at stake, millions more are pouring in. Even the pro-life group Susan B. Anthony Pro-Life America has donated $1 million for Republican candidate Herschel Walker.
Our main message throughout this cycle has been we need to check on the Biden administration. We need to push forward and stop the radical policies that they are pushing forward on the life issue. And Georgia is ground zero once again.
Caitlin McCuskey is the political coordinator for Susan B. Anthony Pro-Life America. She tells me so far, pro-life field teams have visited over 456,000 homes in Georgia. Now a $1 million investment, she says, will help target the voting record of Senator Raphael Warnock, who was the lead co-sponsor of the Women's Health Protection Act, which mandates abortion on demand.
The way that Senator Warnock has been voting, he's voted for abortion on demand through the 9th month of pregnancy, paid for by taxpayer dollars. Every opportunity he has been given, he has voted that way.
Republican candidate Herschel Walker spoke to me in August about his pro-life views.
I'm pro-life, and I don't make any excuses about it. I think a child is so precious, and you never know what that child will become.
Millions are flowing into both campaigns. Records show Walker hauled in $3.3 million in fundraising on the first day of his Senate runoff campaign. Plus, the Democratic Senatorial Campaign Committee is spending $7 million on field operations for Senator Warnock.
I'm going to need you to stick with me for 4 more weeks. Can we do that? They are going to throw every dollar at us that they can, every lie, every attack.
The most expensive race also took place in Georgia back in 2021. $515 million was spent between Republican Senator David Perdue and Democrat Jon Ossoff. Ossoff ended up winning the runoff election. Experts say that this race could surpass that mark. At the Capitol, Eric Rosales, EWTN News Nightly.